Hello everyone, welcome to TechBro. I'm your bro Kishore. In this video, we are going to see one of the major thing which is required for all work from home setup. As a human being, we spend most of our time doing one thing, which is sitting. As we are all in work from home mode, sitting ergonomically is one of the most important thing which we need to do in order to preserve our health. Hence, office chair or the so-called as revolving chair is really required for all of us to do work from home so that we can sit ergonomically and do our job. There are n number of varieties and variants and products of chairs which are available in market. Out of that, we have picked up one chair which is ergonomically fit, plus it is not so costly. The product what we are going to see today is MBTC Alaska Mesh Office Rolling Desk Chair, which is purely an Indian product. The brand name is MBTC, which is a company based out of Delhi, and the chair cost is 3,200. To be precise, it's 3,199. The seating height of this chair is 18 inches. It can hold up to 113 kilograms of weight. The chair itself will weigh about 10 kgs, and the installation is very pretty simple, and which doesn't need anyone else to get installed. You can do it the installation yourself. And this comes with 6 months warranty along with the 10 days replacement. So let's get started with unboxing and installation of the chair. Let's see the contents of this box first. As we can see, the first thing what is present in the box is the base of the chair, which has 5 wheels in it, and this is something which is made of polyplastic, which is strong enough to hold close to 113 kgs. So I haven't tried with 113 kgs, but I have tried with 80 kgs after installation, and the chair is supporting and it looks good. So I can see that the wheels are smooth and it is operating well. So let's see what else is in this box. So it is another small box which has some 4 items. Let's see the box contents here. The first one is gas lift with the cover. The second one is seat mechanism, and the third one is toolkit, and fourth one is assembly manual. So gas lift is basically the mechanism which is used to increase the height of the chair as well as decrease it. So there is a lever which is attached to the seat mechanism, which when we push it upwards, the seat will go high. So this is basically for adjusting the height of the seat. Another thing what we have is the seat itself along with the arm support and the backrest support. So this is well packed and it is coated with styrofoam in order to ensure that there are no scratches and there are no damages during the transit. So as you can see, the back support along with the seat along with the armrest is there as a single piece. So we don't have additional burden to install the armrest or the backrest on the seat. So these are the 3 items which are there in the box. So let's get started with the installation. I've just removed the covers and it looks pretty decent. The backrest has an mesh along with the plastic base, which makes it breathable so that we don't get warm or we don't sweat more when we are sitting on this chair. And on side of the armrest, we can see there is a dual tone lining, which adds more look to this particular chair. And the arms are sturdy and looks decent for this price. The chair or the seat, or basically the base, looks pretty decent, and it is also made of breathable mesh. There is another small box as we have seen during unboxing, which has the gas lift along with the installation kit. Let's unbox it and see what is inside. So the first one is basically the cover of the gas lift, which looks like three basically 3 cups with the different sizes, one inserted within the other. And along with that, we have an instruction manual which clearly depicts how to install this particular chair, which we will be seeing it shortly. And the pictures are very clear and precise and gives the clear view on how to install this chair and how to utilize this chair and the specifications of this. and do and don'ts which we need to follow while using this chair. And the third item what we can see is the most important part, which is the gas lift, which should be handled very very carefully. Because if we handle it in a wrong way, it might explode as well. And the below part is the base, and the top part ends with the blue color switch. And the fourth one what we can see is the lever mechanism, which helps us to pull the chair up and down using the gas lift. The fifth item what we can see is the screws along with the align keys and the ring washer, which basically helps us to fasten the seat mechanism along with the seat base. So these are pretty much things which are present inside the box. Let's see how the base of the chair looks like. So this is basically made of polyplastic, which is very sturdy, and the wheels are easily rotatable and smooth as well. As we can see, there is a net-shaped structure which makes it sturdy and strong, and makes it capable to bear weights up to 113 kgs. It is pretty decent and strong. Without wasting much of time, let's get quickly started with the installation. First, take the base and keep it in upright position, and take the gas lift and insert the cover on top of the gas. So this is basically the cover. It should be something like the um, three plastic cups starting from the biggest to the smallest. Now take the gas lift, and this is the base portion of the gas lift, and the one with the blue button is on the top. And take the wheel base and just keep the gas lift straight. Just don't need to push anything, just keep it straight. That's it. Please don't try to mess up with the gas lift because it may get exploded. And take the cover and just keep it softly on top of it. Now let's prepare the seat along with the seat mechanism, so that we can place it on top of the gas lift. So basically this is the tool which we are going to use. It has one Allen key along with the four screws. Screws has a ring washer as well. We are going to fit the seat mechanism on top of the seat using this screws what we are saying. Basically the screws can be tightened only using the Allen key. Please don't use a screwdriver or anything else. The Allen key is also provided in the package. Now let's prepare the base of the seat to fit into the seat mechanism. For that you just need to keep it in inverted position. You can see there are four holes into which we are going to fit our seat mechanism. Just take the seat mechanism and keep it aligned with the holes, so that you can put the nails into those holes or the screws into those holes and then fasten it. Just ensure that the arrow mark which is provided on the seat matches with the arrow mark direction which is present in the seat mechanism as well. Now fasten all the screws, not so tightly, but initially just fasten all the screws in order to get those to the right position. Use an Allen key to tighten them up, but ensure that you do not underscrew or overscrew it, so that the seat base will get damaged. Ensure that it is done parallelly on all the four sides, so that the seat will be on correct position. If you overscrew on one end and underscrew on the other end, it might be in slightly tilted position. So that's it. We have tightened all the screws. Now just take the seat mechanism, whatever you have fitted so far, and keep on the base what we have prepared so far. You can see there is a hole into which the top end of the gas lift should go inside. Just keep on top of it and tap for a couple of times so that it get fitted in. Don't need to do anything else apart from keeping it on top of it, and then gently tap on top of it. And that's it. The installation of the chair is done, and you are ready to use it without any more waiting. It's pretty easy and decent, isn't it? And how was the video? If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, please leave it as a comment on what particularly you didn't like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech Bro so that you will not miss out any videos which I am posting every week. Thanks for watching this video. I will meet you next week with another interesting video.